Dive into the world of nursing and discover what it truly means to be at the heart of healthcare. Are you ready to step up? Nurses are the backbone of our healthcare system, providing essential care with skill and compassion, from emergency rooms to quiet bedside moments. Registered nurse is a role that demands expertise in high-tech equipment and holds greater responsibility than an enrolled nurse. They can be unit managers, team leaders, or work in medical administrations and intensive care. Eager to start? Begin with a Bachelor of Nursing degree in Australia, followed by hands-on clinical training that prepares you to face real-world challenges. Beyond medical skills, nurses offer emotional fortitude, providing comfort and understanding in life's toughest moments. Before commencing your bachelor's degree, make sure that you have applied and received your Working with Children check and police check, which are essential as you will soon participate in clinical placements. AHPRA, which stands for Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, is where you will need to register as a registered nurse after you completed your course. You will need to renew this registration annually as well. Step into a career that calls for true heroes. Nursing is not just a job, it's a calling to care. Will you answer it? Contact AUG for your first step into nursing.